Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage employee rights with ADP, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, begin by understanding the importance of employee rights. Familiarize yourself with federal and state labor laws. Ensure you know the key rights employees are entitled to, such as fair wages, safe working conditions, and anti-discrimination protections. Next, log into your ADP account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the Employee Management section. Here, you will find tools to help you manage employee information effectively. Add new employees by filling out the required information and ensuring all data is accurate. Make sure to include essential documents such as tax forms and background checks. Then, review employee handbooks and policies for compliance with legal standards. Upload these documents in the ADP system for easy access and distribution. Focus on training your managers and staff on employee rights. Utilize ADP's resources for training materials or webinars that cover compliance and best practices. Encourage open communication about employee rights within your organization. Provide a confidential way for employees to report concerns or violations. Regularly audit your processes and policies in ADP to ensure ongoing compliance. Use ADP's reporting tools to track employee rights-related inquiries and resolutions. Monitor changes in legislation that may affect employee rights. Regularly update your policies in ADP to reflect these changes. Finally, maintain documentation of all employee rights-related activities for reference. This ensures you are prepared for any audits or legal inquiries. By following these steps, you can effectively manage employee rights with ADP. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.